Okay, let's get into it. For this deep dive, we are really unpacking the deep infrastructure of high-end AV. Specifically, we're looking at the tvONE CM-AUD-8IN-8OUT audio interface module.
Right. And this isn't something you'd find at a big box store. This is serious, professional-grade hardware.
Exactly. It's all about managing signal traffic. The core function seems simple enough, right? 8 audio inputs, 8 audio outputs.
Yeah, on the surface. But the real story, I think, is where this one little box fits. Our mission here is to figure out how this single audio component plugs into a much larger and way more complex AV matrix.
Let's start with that architecture then. The first thing that jumps out is that it's not a standalone device.
Not at all.
It's explicitly designed to connect to the A2 series 8x8 audio matrix solutions. It's part of a very closed ecosystem.
And that tells you immediately that they're targeting reliability above all else. And you can see that focus right down to the physical connector.
The HD-44 connection.
Exactly. It's a high-density connector. And that specific choice is what guarantees it works perfectly with the A2 7300 series audio breakout units.
So you sacrifice universal compatibility for something that's basically error-proof during a complex installation.
You got it. It's built for certainty, not flexibility.
And that premium approach, that focus on reliability, you also see it in the commercial details, don't you?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh.
First, there's the price tag. We're talking about, a listed price of $1,040?
Yeah, not cheap.
Right.
But maybe more importantly, it's TAA compliant.
Right. And for anyone who doesn't know, that Trade Agreements Act compliance is a huge signal. It basically means the product is pre-vetted for use in government and even defense projects where the supply chain has to be secure.
So it's a filter.
It's a very effective filter. Now, to connect all these dots, maybe an analogy would help.
Okay.
So if you think of the main choreo matrix switcher as, say, the central traffic hub of a big city, then this audio module, the CM-AUD-8IN-8OUT, it's like the specialized high-capacity bridge.
Ah, I see. It's the dedicated on-ramps and off-ramps just for audio traffic.
Precisely. It moves audio in and out of that central hub efficiently so it doesn't cause a bottleneck for, say, all the video signals flying around.
And that audio freeway is just one piece of a much bigger system. When you look at the other modules that plug into the same chassis, you start to see the sheer scale of it all.
It's fascinating, really. You have our 8x8 audio module, but right next to it, you might slot in something like the CM3G SDI X2IN.
Which is a dual 3G SBI video input, so professional broadcast video.
Yeah, and that costs even more, around $14,470. And then you have another one for DVI signals, the CM-DVI-U X2IN, which is closer in price to the audio module.
So the system is designed to handle all these different signal types, brand new broadcast video, older data formats, and our audio all at the same time.
Yes, that's the key. The entire ecosystem is built around modularity.
You can customize the matrix for exactly what you need today, and then, swap out a module for something else a few years down the line without replacing the whole core system.
So the big takeaway for you, the learner, is that this little audio module is way more than just a breakout box.
Right. It's a vital gateway. A TAA-compliant 8-in 8-out gateway into a very specific, very demanding professional routing system.
It performs a critical function that you just can't compromise on in those environments.
As we were looking through the pricing on all those different modules, one detail really stood out to me.
I think I know what you're going to say. The output module.
The one with scaling built in. The CM3GSDI XSC20UT, it's listed at over $2,600.
Nearly double the price of a standard input module. And that leads to a really good question to leave you with. Given that huge price jump, what technical demands does signal scaling, that is, changing the resolution of a video signal on the fly, what demands does that place on a system that makes that one function so incredibly valuable and so costly in a professional matrix solution like this?
Something for you to explore.